5 School Bus Safety Tips Every Driver Needs to Know. Understanding school bus laws can help keep everyone safe, and since it's National School Bus Safety Week, we created a quick and simple guide for drivers. In every state across the country, you must adhere to the rules when you see a school bus with flashing lights. Flashing yellow lights indicate that the bus is slowing down and preparing to stop. When the lights turn red and the stop arm extends, it means the bus has stopped and children are loading or unloading. If you're behind a school bus with flashing lights, you may not pass. Once you stop your vehicle, you must remain stopped until the arm retracts, the lights go off, and the bus starts moving again. Understanding when to stop for a school bus can sometimes be confusing, particularly because the rules vary by state. In almost all states, if you are on a non-divided road you must stop when you see a bus with red flashing lights, regardless of whether you are behind or approaching the bus. For example, in Washington state, you may pass a stopped bus if you are in the opposing lane on a roadway that has 3 or more lanes. On a divided highway, in most states, you do not have to stop if you are in an opposing lane. One of the most important back-to-school safety tips is to pay attention to what's going on around you. Not only do you need to watch out for big yellow buses and flashing lights, but also keep an eye out for children who are on their way to school. While it's always important to avoid texting, talking on the phone, and other forms of distracted driving, it's even more critical when there's extra school traffic and pedestrians. The start of the school year means more traffic and longer commute times. Make sure you leave the house 10 to 15 minutes earlier than you usually do, so you can get to work or school safely and on time. When driving behind large vehicles like school buses, it's important to remember that they have some limitations. Keep in mind that you may need to hit the brakes to leave a safe distance between you and the back of the bus. Also remember that school buses are required to stop at railroad crossings, so if you're driving behind a bus, be prepared to stop as well. Thanks for watching.